Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fudge at home without condensed milk. You can achieve rich, creamy fudge using simple ingredients like milk, butter, and sugar. This method is a classic approach, ensuring a delicious treat with a perfect texture. We'll guide you through each step, from combining ingredients to the final setting, making it easy to create homemade fudge without the need for condensed milk. Get ready to enjoy a delightful, melt-in-your-mouth experience. Let's start with the foundation of our fudge. You'll need a large, heavy-bottomed pot to prevent burning. Combine 2 cups of sugar with 4 cups of milk in the pot. Next, add 4 tablespoons of butter. Place the pot over high heat, stirring continuously until the butter melts and the sugar completely dissolves. This initial step is crucial for a smooth base, so keep stirring to avoid any scorching on the bottom of your pan. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. Making fudge can be a warm process, so staying hydrated is key. The Owala water bottle keeps your drinks perfectly cold, making it ideal for any kitchen adventure. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content. You can find a link to the Owala water bottle and other fantastic deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your mixture is boiling, reduce the heat to a simmer. The most critical part is reaching the correct temperature, typically between 234 and 238 degrees Fahrenheit or 112 to 114 degrees Celsius. Use a candy thermometer for accuracy. After reaching temperature, remove from heat and let it cool slightly. Then, beat the mixture vigorously until it loses its glossy sheen, indicating it's ready to be poured into your prepared pan to set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.